200,000 tons of lifting capacity.
The math barely worked.
We have to make sure they follow the sequence exactly.
If they don't tighten evenly, the hull won't withstand the stress.
The plan: transform every deck into a different luxury estate. A vertical mansion on water.
Day 1. The transformation of the century begins. Floor-to-ceiling windows where there were none. Every deck would drink in the ocean view. Floor-to-ceiling windows where there were none. Every deck would drink. Strip everything. Start with bare steel. Build something the world has never seen.
All right, push it tight to the wall. Easy, easy, watch the corner. Hold it right there.
Hold it steady there.
All right, lowering it slowly. Watch the clearance on the left side.
Watch the left side, easy now. Clear. Make sure that seal is tight before we lock it down.
The alignment on these is perfect. Keep this standard for the rest of the installation. We will. Normalize, 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 sir. This is the standard we're aiming for. We have the talent right here to make this vision a reality.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, lift it up. Watch the edge. Easy now.
Careful, bring it up slowly.
Okay, it's secure. How are the lights?
Adjusting the spots now. Looks good.
Look at the gardens on the upper deck. This is absolutely incredible.
A truly majestic vessel.
I must say, the evening turned out perfectly.
Yeah.
Indeed, the ambiance is simply unmatched. I can't believe how magnificent this is.
Yeah.
It's absolutely breathtaking, isn't it?
Cheers to the golden hour.
To an exquisite evening. The atmosphere here is simply unmatched.
Indeed. And the wine is magnificent.
Here is your sunset cruise cocktail. Enjoy the view.
Thank you. It looks wonderful.
I raise this glass to the best team in the business. We achieved the milestone.
Before, luxurious captain's cabin. After, decaying shipwreck.
Welcome to Marine Engineering Mastery, where we explore the depths of this fascinating field. It's great to have you here.